How to replace the damaged ice shovel. First, please remove these two screws by your screwdriver. Then you will be able to remove the top cover. Please manually adjust the ice scoop to a position that is convenient for you to operate. Use suitable pliers to help you remove the nails to replace the ice spade. Get a new ice shovel for replacement. Using the nails removed before to install the ice shovel and scoop together. Finally, insert the nails with pliers for fixation. Install the previously removed screws in place. Thus, a new ice shovel is installed.